AI voice dubbing is so hot, 11 Labs launches its own voice translation tool. Before we move forward, let's spend the next 10 seconds to see how 11 Labs have converted my English video into a Spanish video. Please let me know in the comment section if you are a Spanish speaker to understand how the quality of the translation is. Everybody has been talking about Mistral AI, so I thought, why don't we compare Mistral AI with GPT 3.0? Todos han estado hablando de Mistral AI, así que pensé, ¿por qué no comparamos Mistral AI con GPT 3.5? Couple of immediate observations. It managed to keep my voice intact. It managed to keep the pace of my voice intact. I'm not very sure about the quality of audio. I tried to translate certain things in Hindi, and when I listened like based on my Hindi skills, it almost felt like it's trying to translate in a very literate Hindi, not necessarily in the language that people speak. The other thing that I noticed is sometimes the keywords are kept in English, which I kind of appreciate instead of, literally translating it. But overall, I was happy with the way it got translated, but I still do not know the quality of the Spanish that it had got translated. So if you know Spanish, please let me know in the comment section about how the translation looks. But overall, this looks like an amazing product. What does it mean? It means 11 Labs, a very popular text-to-speech company, has got its own voice translation tool that helps you translate in 20 different languages, and they are targeting creators, educators, media companies. For example, if you are a YouTuber where you are already paying somebody to do the voice dubbing, this is going to be probably the easiest way to create a high quality voice dubbing, almost like retaining the kind of quality of the voice that you have, like the original voice that you have got. So typically when you do dubbing, you need to find a voice artist who will do dubbing in their own voice, not necessarily your voice, but this is like voice cloning plus dubbing. This is super amazing, to be honest. Let's get started to understand how to do it. At this point, you can just click this try AI dubbing and then you can start doing it. It is actually very super simple for you to do the dubbing. All you have to do is go select the source language and the target language, then add the file that you want, file from your local computer, but also you can upload it from YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and a lot of other ways. So once you upload the file, all you have to do is click the button to dub and it is going to start dubbing. The smaller the file size is, the smaller the time it is going to take for dubbing. And this dubbing has got a lot of advantages, especially they are trying to put together use cases where you might want to do, for example, educational videos, YouTubes, TV shows, and all the other things. Once you started doing dubbing, like right now the first one is free, but once you start doing, like, you have got the dashboard where you can go download it and all these things. The main thing is it preserves the speaker style. It supports multiple speakers with different voices. You can actually do end-to-end automation. Right now I'm not sure about the API support. Also has got like a multilingual capability which enables it to detect the source language and do the translation for you. You don't have to necessarily select the language and do it, but which is something also you can do it. It has got like a lot of language coverages. In India, at least I see like Hindi and Tamil, my language. And also you have like a lot of different options. The translation has been already done and it didn't take a long time for us to do the translation. Once the translation is done, if you are like a free tier, you can download the video with a watermark. But again, like if you want more downloads, like if you want to do more translations, then you probably have to sign up for it and then do it. If you see the FAQ, it doesn't get into the technical details of how this translation is happening, except that it uses deep learning model like everybody else. But you can again like go and then see the details about, what kind of cost it has got, what is the translation and how does it work. But overall, this is an impressive piece of technology, and I see a lot of startups, at least like when they want multilingual videos, using it. Let me know in the comment section what do you feel about it, and I'm going to end this video with one more Steve Jobs video that I just translated it in Hindi. I feel the translation is quite bad, but let me know in the comment section what do you feel.
लेकिन मैं अरस्तु थलस को कोई सवाल नहीं पूछ सकता। मेरा मतलब मैं कर सकता हूं, लेकिन मैं एक जवाब प्राप्त नहीं करूंगा। इसलिए मेरी उम्मीद है कि हमारे जीवन काल में हम एक उपकरण बना सकते हैं, एक नई प्रकार का, एक इंटरैक्टिव प्रकार का। और जब मैं व्यक्तिगत कंप्यूटर को देखता हूं तो हम नीचे की दुनिया की विचारधारा को पकड़ सकते हैं, जो एक कंप्यूटर में अरिस्टोटल है। और समय आने पर कुछ छात्र न केवल अरिस्टोटल द्वारा लिखे गए शब्दों को पढ़ सकेंगे, बल्कि अरिस्टोटल से सवाल पूछ सकेंगे। और जवाब और पीसन वही है जो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हम कर सकते हैं। यह एक शुरुआत है। या